Hello everybody, my name is Nini. Today I'm going to tell you a story about a 19th century railway station. Let's start. The first, since the 19th century, the railways were very common in the newspapers in the 19th century. That time, railways were used for fighting and living in. Some rich people were in first and third classes. The first station design was in 1810. They built it for over 59 years. Some people died of hunger and fear. But those who lived just kept on working and they survived. And the railway station is still here on Earth. Stations built in the 19th century had towering walls, soaring wide-span houses, smokes, and signs. They always use signs. They use signs a lot because that will show people how to work safely. The Tower of London is very big, so some people built it. And it is very big, but on the whole 19th century, railway stations reflected the confidence and exuberance of the men who designed and built them. Some broken down railways, some poor people lived in there and then became friendly and friends. The track was often made on rivers known as bridges, and they have a lot of tunnels because there were a lot of cliffs and mountains in the way, so they made mountains and designs for the mountain. And the first railway was deep down in the ground, about 10 miles away from buildings. Inside 10 miles of the dirt, they needed to make a big half circle in the dirt, and they started working. Soon enough, they made the hole and they made the cages, and they made a 10-mile hole up to the. It was like up to the sunlight, so that they can see under the very spooky and dark place under people who are walking around. They put coal and horses and they built a train. Did you know that the Hogwarts Express was an old train in ruins, and Harry Potter co-workers made it to move, and soon enough people can be in there. Some people went in there and tested if it can crash. 10% 10% of the train crashed, and they rebuilt it again and again. And then the 11th time of testing, it finally worked. Of 101,000 and billion people on the train. They sometimes used trains and towns. The trains and towns were separated by a wall. And the first trains were loaded with coal and coke. Not the coke that we drink, not Coca-Cola. It's a very hard stone. And they built it for a long time. All the trains, the railways in the 19th century, all the railways were built together, and there was zigzags everywhere. There was some pollution, and there was smoke coming all over the exhaustion. Most important is that there were Africans, poor people, and rich people who boarded the trains and railways. And they needed 500 billion pounds of milk and sugar. And they needed 1,000 billion, a gazillion, trillion eggs. One cup of eggs is one, and a stack means 100. And they had a lot of those eggs, and they had milk, sugar, cake, and other supplies for eating, drinking, and other things to survive. And they all over the world, railways are very important so that we can move in MRTs and trains and subways. That's how we get a great station built. That's all for today. Bye bye.